Good to see you, folks. Thank you. Dan Taylor, good to have you, man. Stan Cesar. Uma Mishra, nice. Please be seated. Look, Dick Vanderborg, all the way up in the... That's great. Gosh, we have the best crowds here at Network Weather. Hey, time for weather words, and it's cold front this time. Now, I did cold front last year, but we're doing a special installation of cold front because this time of year it doesn't get cold when those cold fronts pass through. These are summertime cold fronts. There's a difference in the feel of the air, but doesn't much have to do with temperature as it has to, well, we'll get into that here in just a second. Now, a front, such as a cold front or a warm front or an occluded front, any front is the dividing line between air masses of different properties, that have different properties, whether it's temperature, whether it's moisture, it could be both. Now, typically, when you think of a cold front just blowing through here, that's like spring, winter, fall. It's warm, it may be humid, there'll be showers with the approach of the front, and then boom, cold, windy. We could have some snow showers here in the Hudson Valley. Now, that's a cold front in the cooler months of the year. But this time of the year, the sun is shining. And when it shines, even in the wake of a cold front, it's going to be warm. That's a high-angle sun. The daylight hours are longer than the nighttime hours. So in the wake of this cold front, the air may be a little cooler, but your experience of it is going to be cold? No, that's for sure. It's going to be warm, but not humid. Here ahead of the front, the winds are coming in off the Gulf of Mexico or the Atlantic Ocean, the Gulf Stream. Behind it, that's a northwest wind. There are no warm oceans up here. It's drier. That's the story. Warm and dry, as opposed to the aching heat and humidity we had a couple of weeks ago. Had me drown. Just talking about it makes me thirsty. What? Can we get something for the talent here, please? And by the way, who is this? If you know who that is, go on to ocpostsentinel.com and let us know, and there'll be a big prize for you. Ha ha! No way. Hey, let's talk forecast. I'll tell you, things are looking great out there today. Now, I'm recording this on Tuesday. I just came in from outside. It's beautiful. Our studios are across the river here in Beacon. It's gorgeous out here. Putnam County, Orange County, all of the Empire State. Beautiful. Northwest wind out there, light winds, but it's dry. It's comfortable. But you'll notice a storm here in the middle of the country. That's headed our way. Now, it's going to take a couple of days to get here. I expect Thursday to be kind of a cloudy day, kind of a gray day with showers, maybe a thunder shower. Here comes that storm, by the way. Here's high pressure, sinking air, clear skies, dry air. But then we've got the inflow in off the Gulf of Mexico into this storm. Humid. Clouds will overspread Wednesday night. Thursday will be our wet day. And after that, I see no storms either on the satellite image or on our computer models. So if you've got plans for this weekend or you're considering this weekend, things are looking great so far. I'm telling you, fantastic. Now here's a map that shows us how much rain we're going to get over the next 7 days. And you'll notice the dark colors here, that's where the heaviest rain is going to be. But here, maybe an inch of rain, inch and a quarter, tops. Most of that on Thursday. Speaking of rain, did you hear what happened in Philly last Sunday? Holy smokes! And I was at the airport in Philadelphia. I saw some of this rain. In 3.5 hours, they had 7 1/3 inches of rain. That's 2 months worth of rain in 3.5 hours. Over 8 inches for the day in Philadelphia, an all-time record for 24 hours in Philadelphia. For a calendar day, over 8 inches of rain, all-time record. Amazing. The world of weather, Network Weather. Discover your day. For the Smith Boys, I'm Dave Schwartz. See you next time.